Welcome to 6th video of this important interview playlist. How to identify exact location of a table. Here is a complete step-by-step answer to this important interview question. I made this video very simple, straight and to the point. Please don't forget to like this video and support me. Let's get started.
How to find location of a table. Let's understand how it is. For example, let's consider an SQL database in a particular location. I'll just take you to a specific location. Assume, for example, you have a database with you, okay? And the database, I'll just get my database ready. Yes, here it is. Let's have the database called test database. Okay, in a specific location, I'm creating a database, connecting the database. I'll create a table in this location. Now the table belongs to accounts file group in D drive, right? Now assume, so this is from the developer perspective. So developers or designers, they define the database in D drive. Now later point of time, you are given the table, you should know the location. Okay, how do you do that? Very simple. Firstly, SP help table name. What is that? Our requirement, how to find the location of a table. It's the actual requirement. For this, step number 1, get table metadata properties. SP help table name. Okay, from here, identify the file group. Remember, to get this exact location, there is no single command. We need to run series of commands. In our example, file group ready. Step number 2, identify the ID of the file group. Okay, select from sys.file groups. The account file group has ID number 2. See, data space ID. File group ID means data space ID. Okay, data space ID. Identify the ID of the above file group means data space ID. Next. Okay, here ID is 2. ID 2. Next. Once we have this ID ready, then identify the file or files inside this file group or inside the above file group. How? Sys files. What is that sys file? Sys files is system table. Here file group ID 2. See, the 2 has file ID in file ID 3 in D drive. Right? Identify the files inside the above file groups and get the location. See, the location is D drive, right? Like this. Means the table belongs to D drive. Sometimes you may see multiple files across multiple locations for a single file group. That means the table is split across multiple files. So this is a 3-step process we need to follow to identify the location of a table. Remember, these kind of questions may be asked in interviews, especially for experienced level. So make sure we understand the concepts carefully. Table belongs to a file group belongs to a file, or file group has a file inside it. So identify the file. Do this one carefully, practice it. If you have any questions or clarifications, do reach me, and glad to assist you with my answers, my support always. I'm available on this number +91 801, or you can even WhatsApp or call. Better to have WhatsApp, okay, instead of call, or LinkedIn. Try to practice. Do let me know for questions if any.